Alright, we're up fine shits. I'm here with my cane Corso Blake. I know that's a human name and that's a dog. Those two things do not match. But freaky. So you see this right here? This point at dog. This is a no-no, guys. No. As you see, he's the one who's trying to be the leader of the pack. Come closer. Come closer. See? Point at the dog. He's trying to lead. He's pulling on me. Alright, we're back. So basically this is the putting on his leash. Like sometimes y'all put on the harness. Putting on the harness for a dog who hasn't been trained to walk on your side is not good. Because dogs are strong, and if you try to pull a dog back by just putting the harness right here, it won't work. You have to put it up here at his neck, because that's where the control is. As you can see, he has no control. You see? But y'all think this may be choking him. It's not. His neck is strong as the F. So it's not choking him. Unless you like can't pull it up, it'll be choking him a little bit. But I have it down here. He's tired. Come. Sit. Good. Sit. Come on. You can do it. Sit. Sit. Right now, come to the side of me. Alright, right now we're gonna do the lead and snatch. This is where if your dog's walking and he does this, and you want him at your side and not doing that, you'll walk. Walk him. Wait till he close up. Like that. You see how he'll check. When you start doing that a lot, he'll check to see if you're gonna turn around on him. You don't want that to happen. Come up. Come on over this side. Alright, now stay right there as I walk. Walk with me. Walk with me. Good job. Alright, come right here, man. So we're gonna try to see if he's gonna do it with this. Since a cart being around a lot of stuff is good, so you can see what your dog distracted by. And if you want to know if he's good, he's checking. You see? You see? No more lead walking. Now you're the leader. Now, that right there was a mess up. Now you have to keep your frame because he's looking at you. You see how he's checking? He's checking. You feed him right there. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. 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 Like, sit. We don't reward those. We only reward him. We only gonna reward him when I ask him once. Now we're gonna do the leading stop. What the leading stop is basically I'm just gonna show you. Come. You give him a line not to cross. You saw how he bat back? You don't cross that line. When I stop, you stop right here. So we're gonna do it again. And keep doing it until you get it right. Sometimes it's gonna take more than twice, but It'll eventually play out once you keep doing it over and over again. We're gonna try one more time. Oh. And if he keeps passing you, just get a quick snatch back, but not too hard. Just a little yank. So we're gonna try one more time and see if he gets this one right, so we can give him the rest of these snaps. Boy, boy. Huh? 6, incorrect. You know, 5. And this is gonna take a little bit longer, but we'll eventually get it right. Alright. Oh. Sit. Oh. Down. 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 Down, boy. Down. It's not as motivated. Come. Alright, turn off. Sit. Here. This is how you want your dog, my friend. Right on side me. Not holding the thing. Stay with me now, Blake. You want him right on side you. So we're making a turn, so it's not gonna work as that way. See? You have to have your dog close enough to where you want to give him a congratulations. You could be able to, hey, stay with me now. Pet him right on the head, like, good boy. Have him right with you.
Bem sou, mas festa de fim de semana. De semana. De semana. Pode de tabaco assado, com nilamia. Viu erra corte de fobato, e tento sair.